Shall we start? Shweta ma'am, Abhay sir, shall we start the session?
I think Arindam sir has not joined, but we can start. I think you please send message to Arindam sir.
Okay, ma'am. I will convey the message.
Madam, I'm calling him.
You're calling? Okay.
I think no need to call, just
You
send a
please
message
start,
because he was here.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
He was here. Actually, we conveyed to wait for 5 minutes. That's why I think he is not joining.
Actually, we have restarted the meeting. That's why.
Okay, team. How are you? Fog team.
Good, ma'am.
Good. So, any update?
Good morning,
any question? Yes. Good morning. Anything that you want to discuss?
Okay, ma'am. Can we start?
Yes, you can start.
Very good morning to all the initiators and dignitaries. So, ma'am, our first question would be, we are, we want your feedback regarding our existing system. So, according to
One thing that you note, please send all the updates on Slack. If you don't want to send on the channel, you can send us to our private ID, private Slack ID. Okay. Am I audible? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So send the details like what you have done till now and what you are going to do till today evening or tomorrow morning. So we will have all the things clear. Okay. Send bullet points also. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
On Slack you have to yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
So sorry.
Yes. Do you want to say something?
Ma'am, we have. Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Ma'am, we have evaluated the last round's discussion regarding the ML. So we are trying to implement on some of the aspects like users feedback. We are using sentiment analysis of the users feedback, and we are trying to implement another feature where we would be reviewing the evidence, and it would like a facial recognition, which would try to recognize the face of an officer who is been involved in that evidence. So is it okay, or you expect us another person we can add?
No, actually, if you have not done anything related to ML, so it is now you don't have time to do much thing related to ML. So concentrate on your actual work. And what kind of feedback actually you are thinking? What kind of information you want to take in feedback?
Ma'am, we want to give an issue to the admin to recognize the
to recognize the person who has been involved in the bribery?
Actually, your voice is not clear.
Hello, ma'am. The feedback on sentimental analysis is like once this is done now, once a request has been accepted or rejected, user will be given an option to provide feedback. So we are thinking of using sentimental analysis on that feedback to check if it's a positive review or a negative review.
Okay. Yes, you can work on that.
And then for the face recognition, what we have thought is if there's a video evidence, what we will do is we will try to get using face recognition, we will get all the faces in that video. So
Yes.
these two things we have planned, we have started implementing since yesterday. And then do we need to do anything else?
No, I think it is sufficient if you would be able to implement it properly, because actual implementation is most important.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, the another doubt I have is that should we focus on the ease of the user for storing the data or the ease of the admin to identify the valid data?
No, actually, your first concern should be user. Always you should keep in consideration of ease of user. Then you have to think about
Okay,
admin,
ma'am.
because admin would be 1 or 2%.
Okay.
But okay, so you should concentrate on user ease.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. There is another feature which we are trying to implement by today. It is known as hot reporting. It means that user can report the bribe within the click of a button. So, is it viable if we implement this feature, or we should more focus on the basic part only?
You can add this feature also. It would add some value to your work.
Okay. Okay.
If I may add a few
Yes, sir.
lines. Yeah. So apart from what ma'am said, see, if you think that one-touch reporting is going to be your uniqueness of the solution, or say for example, whenever you're building something, there has to be a certain magic bullets, right? That this is our proposition, which has a wow factor, right? So if you think that these are the wow factors that you can include and that could be the best propositions of the solution, then you can definitely include them. It's not that you have to include everything just within tomorrow, but you can have something in the future course of action as well, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
So
sir.
you
Okay,
have
sir.
you
We
can
got
have
that.
provisions for those.
So just one more question, like we were thinking about implementing a chatbot, maybe like in a sense to guide the user on maybe what to file or where to file or any details he wants using Rasa probably, which is it's ML based, so it will automate, like it's an AI based chatbot, so it will automatically tell you like where to go or something like that to give details and help the user. Do you think it's a good option to add that, or do you have any views on that?
Yeah, obviously, while implementing a chatbot can be a very good solution for for the backend people, and as well as the user. The number of incidents, unsolved incidents, moves down drastically. So 80% reduction in tickets we can see just by when you implement a chatbot. Certain things, not in say for example, there are a lot of issues. Say for example, one person cannot log in. This is also an issue probably in your system when you build it properly, right? Because you have to give him access, and there has to be certain user credentials. So somebody cannot access. That can also be an incident which has to be reported in your platform. Nobody else will solve it. So by chatbot, you can reduce down those tickets which are non-pertinent to bribery as well.
Okay,
Right?
sir. Okay, sir. So another doubt which we had is that if we use facial recognition, then do you want to identify the person itself just by the facial recognition, or we can just see that it is matching with the person?
First of all, there is nothing that I want. It's everything that you propose, right? So it's your solution. If you
Okay,
think
so
that
okay, so we
it
got that.
is,
Okay, so
yeah.
okay, sir. So up till now, so we are ready with the base model. We have also implemented the blockchain. So now the data is being able to store on the blockchain, and the sanity of the data is being stored prevalently. Like it is the maximum limit that we can keep the data safe. And we have also worked on building an application for the admin so that it would be, if the system is not working and the admin needs to work from home, then he can do that. And we have also tried to ease the user's experience with the minimum clicks and maximum optimization. So does any other expectations that you have from us regarding UI or something other or technology?
No, as ma'am already clarified that user experience is something that is of utmost importance because the maximum number of people will be using from the front end, user front end. That is one. You said that probably I assume that it is cloud hosted when you say that people can work from home, the admins can work from home.
Okay, sir.
Is it like that? Is it cloud hosted solution that you are planning? The database will be hosted in
Yes, sir.
cloud
Yes,
or
sir. Yes, sir.
yeah,
Our system is cloud
or on
hosted.
premise? Yeah, so that's all. That's good. Now you concentrate on concising and focusing on different factors like error handling and giving it a personalized thing, giving probably read changing certain things, color coding, etc., so that it look and feel becomes good. So these factors you should concentrate from now onwards because it's not huge time that is left as of now.
Okay, sir. Okay,
Yes,
sir. We
sir.
got that.
Okay. Keep sending updates on Slack and use GitHub also. I think you have received some guideline to use GitHub. So I
Yes,
suppose
ma'am.
you all are using.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All the best.
Ma'am, we have
Thank you.
submitted a GitHub repository with the README document.
Yes, yes. You have to submit all those things.
And ma'am, did you ask them to send us the
Yes.
today's plan and?
Yes, I told. I think it is clear to all.
Okay.
You all have to
Thanks
send
a lot.
planning and whatever you are going to do today till evening, or what is the planning of your tomorrow's work. So you have to send all these bullet points on Slack. You can send these details on our personal Slack ID. If you don't want to public it, you can send it on our personal ID. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay,
Thank you. All
thank
the
you. Okay,
Thanks
thank you,
and all the
team.
best.
Okay, now Folk Society, you can leave now. The next team will join in, that is Retro team. So you can leave all the team members of Folk Society.
Okay. Thank you.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah.
Am I audible?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Let me turn on the webcam because yesterday we could not show our faces due to some technical issue.
All are requested to kindly on your videos. All
Yeah,
the
yeah.
participants are requested to kindly on your videos.
Yeah, ma'am. 1 second.
Team Retro, all your members join the meeting.
Ma'am, 1 second. I have to check.
I think we can start.
Sure, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
As already showed our idea yesterday, but we have a few doubts to clear off. One of the sirs requested for a review system, so I would like him to explain a bit more because I have some doubts in that. In the review system, should we add the review system on the reporting side, or should we add it as a separate feature? Like, let's say someone wants to just give a good rating or a bad rating on the ministries or organization. How does he want me to implement this? Because we have few ideas that we want to explain.
Probably, I don't know. I mean, probably some of the judges articulated this who is not present as of now. So you can always tell your ideas, and we can zero down on one.
Okay,
I think
so
you can contact him through Slack. You can send your query on Slack on his personal ID.
Okay.
Yes, he can reply.
Okay, so ma'am, we'll explain two of the features that we have. We are yet working. We don't have a demo at the moment. We're just trying to get it to work. So we're gonna actually explain the two features that we think is possible. One is according to the reports. Let's say a report query is being given by the victim and it's being solved. So the victim reviews the thing, and if he's satisfied, he adds a 5-star rating or a 4-star rating, depending on how many stars he's put. And there will be a comment or feedback that he'll give. Now, if it's a 5-star rating, it's obvious that it'll be a 5-star type comment. So whenever the people who are publicly checking the app, they can literally go to the review section and they can just see which ministry is actually doing good. This kind of situation. The other way is that we are trying to implement a different page inside the app. That let's say someone has gone to the ministry or probably he's satisfied with their service, and then they can just go and review the state, like which state or which city this is. They can select the city, and then they can write the ministry's name or choose the ministry's name, and then they can give a 5-star rating and a comment or a feedback. In that way, we can so we don't have a working thing because we are yet making the thing. It'll take maybe the whole day, but we can show it tomorrow. So do you want the first system or do you want the second system? A separate feedback section?
I think yes, if you would add a separate feedback system, it would be beneficial for your project, because feedback is very important, and you should have some mechanism to analyze that feedback also.
Yeah, we are working on that, because depending on the system, there's two different mechanisms we can use. Because on the report, I think it's going to be a bit hard because it depends on what kind of report it is, and we cannot make the report public. It's a feedback which is review bad or good, that can be seen public also. This is what we think.
Yes.
So in that way, a person can know, okay, this ministry has some issues, or they can tackle the issue, or then people can actually have an idea, okay, this place is good, we should go to this place, this kind of thing. So it can be a public feedback. And this there'll be a chart system implemented on the admin side. They can understand which department is doing good, or which ministry organization is doing good in which all places, and there'll be a huge chart depending on that. Is it fine?
Yes, I think.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. If you have any more suggestions, you can let me know, because we are ready to implement them more, because we think that there are much more things to do.
How you are checking the authenticity of cases reports?
Authenticity of cases. We are making sure that if anyone is reporting, because now if this is a government issue, so we'll make sure of something that is verifying it. Let's say a person is actually writing a report without, in the registry form itself, there is a option for giving his Aadhaar card or voter ID card number. So we have added that much of digits that he has to add. Because if this is a serious query, they need to identify the person with his Aadhaar card. So we are making sure that this person's Aadhaar card is present while he's reporting the thing. So when the authorities or the police are checking the thing, we'll even add a random reporting feature, which if a person doesn't want to show himself, but in most of the serious cases, most people will actually opt the Aadhaar card system, in my opinion. So he has to apply the Aadhaar card before reporting something. We are making sure of that. And there'll be his email ID also given for another verification. If the authorities want to communicate with him through personal contact.
Actually, these are for personal identification. But
Yeah.
I'm talking about report authenticity. Report is fake or genuine. How you
Oh
will
yeah,
check?
okay. Report is fake or genuine, ma'am. This depends on the person who because last time one judge told that evidence should not be compulsory. Because some people wants to report without actual evidence. So what we did there, we kept two options over there. If a person actually wants to make sure this is authentic and he wants his process to be more faster, he can just directly apply upload some sort of evidence because that makes it authentic. That he's actually telling something that maybe it can lead to a case. But if
But
the person
again,
wants to,
again, you should have some mechanism to check the evidence. There may be wrong evidence also.
ma'am, wrong evidence, we are making sure that he has to mention the person's name, means his designation or which department it is. We are making sure of that. You can add a department name or designation of the officer and officer's name. And most probably, if you know the office address, also you should add that also. We have specified all this in that application.
Okay.
Okay, so in line with this, I'm giving you a problem statement, summary, small thing. Say, for example,
Okay.
I enter one, so you have taken 14-digit number for Aadhaar identification or something, 14-digit or 16-digit number. So I input that number, I go into your system, I lodge a complaint against someone, I put a video, which is say, for example, WhatsApp video or something without, non-justified video, unjustified video or something, and I raise an incident. Ma'am is asking what is the authenticity mechanism to check this kind of things, because I am complying with your system.
Sir, one thing is for sure that let's say if this is related to our organization, there'll be some people on the authority side to actually clarify if this guy is working on the office or not. So we cannot actually directly say that if this guy is working because we're not related to the
not in that perspective. I'm saying, is there, ma'am's question was, is there any, offline verification system or admin panel from where somebody will verify the incidents before it is posted or registered?
Yeah, we are making sure of that. We have an admin panel. There you have to review everything. I think we showed you.
Okay. That was the ask. Precisely.
Yes.
There's an admin panel. From there, the reports can be seen, the reports can be judged, or the reports can be, if you want to change the status, let's say, as I told you yesterday, you can even show the status of how much processed it has been. You can say it is in the beginning of the process, or it's under process, or is it complete, or you can say that completed process without a solution or evidence, or process completed with solution and evidence. There will be a lot of options like this you can choose from to let the victim or the opposite side know that he's at what position he is in, or what is his condition in the complaint that he has done.
Okay.
Yeah. So sir, any other things you can let me know.
No.
Yeah, another small point, like you are building the application which can be accessed on online or say through a mobile application, right? Is my understanding correct? Are you doing any other thing to include non-smartphone users? Or
for users, sir, we can as this is made in React Native, so it's probably going to work for features phone also. We can literally make sure that we can make a web page for this because we already have one made for this, so they can actually open on the browser.
Yeah, I'm saying, are you doing anything like phone facility or something to include non smartphone users?
Yes.
Who are not well conversant with internet technology and all.
No, well conversed with internet technology, sir. This depends on how the system is being used. As far as I know, I have thought of a feature of adding in features phone because now every phone over here in India is 4G. So it means even the feature phone are coming in 4G. So most probably they can access it through the web page. This is what I'm trying to add. But other than that, if the person is really illiterate, I don't know if he can access any of this because I have no clue about that.
So in that case, you are saying the one person who is probably not conversant with smartphone or cannot run a computer has no right to report a bribery case.
Sir, he or she can use a feature phone because I'm sure that they'll be holding a feature phone for that. And they'll be, and if they actually want to access the thing, they can install a small web-based application on their phone.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So the same instruction, actually you all have to send the planning of your today's work, what you are going to do till today evening, and what you are planning for tomorrow.
Okay.
On Slack, you have to share these details, and you can send these details on our personal Slack ID if you don't want to publish it. Okay. And
Okay, ma'am.
other thing is that I think you all are using GitHub also, as you have received the guideline. You are
Yes, ma'am.
submitting your
We have-
codes on GitHub repository. Is it so?
Okay. Can you repeat the question again? I was a bit distracted.
I think you all are submitting your codes at GitHub repository.
Yes.
Okay. So,
Okay, ma'am.
okay,
Thank you.
from our side. Okay, I think these people may leave.
Okay,
Thank
now
you.
the participants of the retro team can leave the meeting, and now the next team will join.
Shubha ma'am,
Yes,
how much time we have in this meeting?
Ma'am, time is almost over, but due to the
So
break,
I think we will leave this meeting and again join. So it would be better to continue with the next team.
actually it is not
What you
showing
suggest?
any time right now.
It is not showing any time actually.
Right. So if
Okay, then let's continue.
we can continue that, it's okay. Otherwise, we can restart the session as you wish, ma'am.
What are Indam sir wants?
No, let
Sir,
us
what
let
you
us
suggest?
continue, ma'am. Let us continue.
Yes.
If there is any problem,
Issue.
we'll log in again.
Okay, no issue.
All
Yeah,
the
Satya
team
team, you
members
must
of
please start.
Yeah, good morning, sir. Agra, would you like to take the proceedings?
Yeah. Good morning, everyone. Like I wanted to ask a question. Like many government websites actually show the photographs of their officials, and even like their office address or something. But we want, like for example, our NIT Warangal website shows photographs of the professors they teach here. So we wanted to ask, for example, if someone like misbehaves, it is not always possible that someone actually knows the name of that person. It might be like the traffic policeman on the road, he misbehaved with someone. So I wanted to know, what's up? Like, is there any legal problem in showing photographs of the public officials, like their profile photographs, basically?
In my opinion, it is not a problem in showing the a person's photograph who is working in a government office, government department, because most of the government departments nowadays are displaying some of the photographs of the officials. It's not a problem, but a problem is there when you show, if you show with his number, the number of incidents tagged or the number of cases pending.
Yes, sir.
That might be a problem.
Yes, sir. Like sir had actually pointed out yesterday, like the other evaluation, sir. He also pointed out that that is not correct.
Yes, it is not correct.
Yeah. So
sir,
Agra, go ahead.
Yeah. So, sir, what we thought that, for example, like we read about a judgment of I think Tamil Nadu or Karnataka High Court. Sorry, it was a judgment of Karnataka High Court which stated that FIRs are public records. And so, what we thought that we will not show the number of cases or for the number of complaints, but we are actually going to show if any FIRs are filed, then you are going to show the FIR number. So, in that case, is showing photograph a problem?
See, this is a little tricky question. Like there are different laws of the land and different laws of the state, right? So in some states you may encounter this, but in other states the same thing might not happen. So you probably are looking after a use case which can be used by anybody and everybody. So if your intention is, or USP or key proposition is to point out this area, then it might not work in all the states. So my request is, if you can holistically think about something and implement one idea, which may be implemented across the nation.
Yeah, So
Okay.
another doubt. So once a person, like a person's complaint is verified directly, that means that the person has a criminal offense, right? So a person, like if a like normal person wants to access a person's criminal record, we can do that under RTI, right? So why can't we like display the number of complaints?
See, again, RTI is up to the directive of the government that if government thinks that this information is relevant to the person who is asking, they may choose to answer that, and they may not choose to answer that depending on the cruciality of the information. So it's not that whenever you do an RTI, you get answers. It's not like that.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sir, actually, yesterday I couldn't answer your question, right? Like you asked why exactly we are integrating with a social media platform, right? Like that's one question which you did not get an answer to, right? So I'll tell you that
Yeah.
now. Sir, what we're doing is basically we have this provision with a web app where you could actually go and view complaints by city and department, correct? So in that web page or on that web page, basically the complaint against whom the thing is being filed is not being made public. It's just like, okay, like this has all happened. That is just to increase the awareness quotient. So when you share it to Facebook, the same option was like, if you remember yesterday in my demo, I had shown, right, in that complaint form, you had this option of either letting any other random third person who's accessing the thing to share it to Facebook. You had a yes or no option, right? So if you said yes for that, then only you can then only we can on the public platform you could view the share to Facebook button. Otherwise, if the complainant is not ready to let others share his complaint to Facebook, so then it's fine. He could say no, and then that button will not be visible. Like that is just to raise awareness. That's because we are not exposing any personal details of the official or the complainant to the when you share it to Facebook. That is the answer. Yeah.
So that is fine. If you are, masking all the personal details involved with it, that's absolutely fine.
Yes, sir. That is what we were doing. Yeah. Yeah, Agra, you had any more like doubts you can ask, sir?
Yes, sir. Regarding the appreciations, sir had a doubt regarding appreciations yesterday. So I had a question, for example, appreciations were meant to
Sorry
be on
to
a personal note.
interrupt.
So
Excuse me, sorry to interrupt. We are having last 5 minutes for the meeting. Then again, the meeting will be rescheduled as per the evaluators. So there is hardly 5 minutes. So you can continue, and after that we will reschedule the meeting. Please continue.
Sure, ma'am.
Sure.
So, for example, with the appreciation notes, so appreciation notes were actually meant to be like a personal thank you. For example, if I wanted to give someone to raise the officer's morale. So, what we decided, like instead of showing the number of appreciation notes so that someone cannot use to whitewash his complaints, we actually made it into a personal thank you. For example, if the database is data of the official's email ID or phone number, which will be not shown to the public, but if the database has it, we'll actually email the thank you note to him, saying that this is you were thanked for your services. So this will actually raise his morale and actually motivate him to do further good tasks to the people.
Yeah. And,
so you think this is yeah. So this is, I think, against the natural human behavior that you are proposing. Say you are proposing your complaints will be public, but your appreciation will be private. So
not
everybody
exactly,
nowadays, if you are saying to incorporate or or leverage social media to spread awareness, so I think this appreciation should be a part of it as well to make it holistic.
Yes, sir. Actually, we have just yesterday we built another feature in our site where we have this Hall of Fame thing. Like in the Hall of Fame, we could show we have this filtering mechanism of officials. Like we would be displaying the top 10, 15 officials who have actually done well. So we have actually displayed all the officials. Yeah, that is done, sir. We have done that. Like
That
yesterday,
can be a good proposition. Hall of Fame can be a good proposition instead of this individual messages. That can be a good proposition instead. Yeah.
okay. So what do you think? Like, should we remove this from our idea or just keep the Hall of Fame?
No, it's not my idea. It's you have to contemplate with all the ideas and understand that what you should do. I'm just here to guide, but I'll not take any decisions perspective. I'll not answer anything.
Sure, sir. Yes, sir. Like, Agra, anything else? Yeah, Agra,
So
Prithvi,
I'm
anyone?
done. If anybody has any questions,
Yes, I have
please
one
ask.
question. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
I think you have used NLP for chatbot. Hana? You have embed chatbot also in
Yes,
your
ma'am.
application. So have you
Uh,
used statistics for analyzing cases also? Or for
Yes, ma'am.
analyzing the performance of a particular ministry?
Yes, ma'am. Not a particular ministry as per se, but particular official. For example, we are ranking the complaints against the official on a basis of a severity score using the NLP model, and then we are actually using the severity score to, for example, on the admin side, if someone is saying, for example, I'm the SP of Agra and I want to see how Agra police is doing. So uh, what happens is I can go to the admin side. For example, I'll have admin access. The master access is to view all the complaints and who has
Excuse
done the
me,
complaint. It will
sorry
be
to
the Anti-Corruption
interrupt.
Bureau.
Sorry to interrupt. Can we reschedule the meeting because the time is
Yes.
supposed to exceed
We are
now?
leaving now and just immediately we have to join.
Immediately join the meeting, right? This meeting is supposed to end and immediately join the meeting
ma'am, in the same
with the
link?
same link.
Yes, the same.
Okay, ma'am.
So we are
Okay.
leaving now.
Okay.